choose two people because there's no difference between the two people that I'm picking. So it's not like putting them in a position. Pick two to do the same thing. And what do you get? 105? Okay, you ready for the challenging one? Oh, maybe not yet. Okay, challenge. I've just got examples left. Challenge. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. They're quick. Okay, deck of cards. Good morning. Okay, you got a deck of cards. How many 5-card hands can you create? Whenever you're ready, you can tell me. What counting technique is going to let you solve this one? Is it an NCR or is it an NTR? That's the question. It is. Why is it an NCR? The order. I just want to look a set of 5 cards. It doesn't matter what order I get them in. I've got the same 5 cards in my hand that I can switch around. So it's a. What's my N? 52. Choose 5. And we don't need the answer. That's good enough. We'll just save some time. You're going to pick a jury of 6 people from 30. How many juries can you create? Is this an NPR or an NCR? NCR. Because if I've got those 6 people, it doesn't matter what chair they're sitting in, they're all just an equal juror. So it's not the order I pick them in, it's just how many different groups of 6 people can I create as the lawyer up there. So that's a 30. Choose 6 people to sit in the jury box. Can I get rid of this? This is where the challenge comes in now, right here. Okay, we need a jury that has 3 men and 3 women from a pool of 15 men and 10 women. How many different juries can you create here?
Can we do this in one step?
Yes. But this is not just a simple NPR or NCR because I've got 2 things happening. I've got to pick a group of men as my event 1, and I've got to pick a group of women for my event 2. So in order for me to get this, I've got to combine that fundamental counting principle from yesterday with either the NPR or NCR, whichever one applies here. So I've got to put the 2 together because I'm doing more than one event here. Well, it's going to be in one line. So I've got to pick a group of 3 men, and I've got to pick a group of 3 women. So just pretend it was 3 men. What would you do to see how many ways you can pick 3 men? 15, choose 3. Because there's 15 men to pick from, and I want a set of 3. So that's a 15, choose 3. Multiplied by, pretend this was a problem by itself. I want to pick 3 women from the women. 10, C3. my fundamental counting principle lets me multiply those two results together to get the big tree that we would have made by hand, that we would never ever make by hand, but it would be huge. So it's multiplying those two combinations together. And we don't need to do the calculating part. Okay, you didn't do anything like at this level back in advanced algebra where you had to do more than one NCR, NPR at a time. Going to Subway today. Okay. Let's just say they've got, at Subway, 6 meats. I don't know what they have for meats. 5 cheeses. 10 veggies. 6, what do you call those? Sauces. You guys are good.
What?
Veggies. Okay, you are going to make a sub. You are going to pick 3 meats. Matt. 3 meats. 2 cheeses. 4 veggies. You gotta have your veggies. 1 sauce. Oh, we forgot the bread, for goodness sake.
I think they got like 5.
1 bread, and we gotta put our 5 breads out here. How many different subs could you make that had 3 meats, 2 cheeses, 4 veggies, 1 sauce, 1 bread? So, how many events are we doing here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 5. Does it matter what order I do my stuff in here? Okay, I've got to pick 1 bread. I'll start with the bread. I'm going to pick 3 meats. I'm going to pick 2 cheese, 4 veg, and 1 sauce. Email. Okay. When I'm picking 1 bread, do I need to do an NPR or NCR here? I don't have to. How many bread choices do I have? 5. I don't need to do a fancy NPR or NCR because I'm not only picking a bread. I need to pick 3 meats. Do I want to do an NPR or NCR here? Does it matter what order the meat goes on my sub? Does the order make it a different sub? So it's an NCR. What are you going to put here for this event? 6, choose 3. 6 meats, choose 3 of them. Okay. 2 cheeses. Do I want an NPR or NCR? So I want 5C2, 4 veggies, 10C4, and 1 sauce, 6. That will make an awful lot of subs. Okay, if you want to type that in, I will look and see what we can give for homework today, because that's adjusted too. I thought we'd get through everything, but we did not. I think I'll save that worksheet for Monday. I'll just do the book problems today. You add to yesterday's, and we're going to do the rest of the problems on that page. We're like, yeah, so add on to yesterday's. If I did check it, we'll make it all 1. Oh, I got stuff in, I got to give the homework assignment first. Through 30.
So 14 to 30?
Is it 14 to 30?
That's it.
That's it. Add it on to yesterday's. Oh, let's go back and pick up 5 and 6.
We just did those.
5 and 6.
We were supposed to do that?
We already did those.
If you did them, you don't have to do them again, but I think I said skip them because we didn't talk about NPR and NCR yesterday.
I did.
Okay.